Hello everyone, welcome to Train, where we make AI simple for you. My name is Kieran and I'll be your instructor for today. In today's episode, we're going to dive into the new ChatGPT-4o. This new version of ChatGPT has been getting a lot of buzz since its release a few weeks ago, so we wanted to break down some key features that we think are important to know. At the end of this episode, you should have a better understanding of ChatGPT-4o and the features that you should expect in the future from this powerful update. So let's get right into it. GPT-4o released on May 13th and is now being rolled out day by day to users. The O stands for Omni, and it is a forward step to more human-computer interaction. This chatbot has a free version which is thought to be huge because of the vast amount of features it entails, which really is said to give OpenAI a competitive advantage in the AI battlefield. The main groundbreaking feature is the Her AI assistant that can see, hear, and talk in real time and basically be readily available for any task. So what does this all mean? Well, basically, this will allow users to prompt this assistant with their voice while working on whatever task instead of having to prompt it in a chat. I think of it as almost like a butler that is waiting for a chore to do. This is because it will basically be in the background while you use your device waiting to help with whatever you're doing. You can see in this chart here from OpenAI that GPT-4o audio translation performance is superior to its competition, which is another plus of this new update. I assume it will only get stronger alongside its ability to be prompted by any user's voice command. We are going to keep our eyes on this feature because it will definitely be a focal part of chatbot technology moving forward. Alongside this new feature, OpenAI has entered the search engine competition with the new feature of built-in browsing with Bing. This allows users to get updated information from the internet at all times past 2023 and has been strengthened greatly. Saying that, one thing that OpenAI doesn't say clearly is that a lot of these groundbreaking features haven't been released as yet, and will only be available for users that have the paid subscription. Another unclear aspect of this new update is the memory it has to offer. OpenAI has been touting 128K memory, but in reality it's still 32K memory. Either way, both are behind LLM competitors, so it will be interesting to see how they increase those numbers. We recommend you taking a look at OpenAI's official website to read up on new features, and they also show videos for examples of the intended purposes of each new aspect of the update. The link to that page is attached in the comments below. With that being said, we hope you now have a better understanding of ChatGPT-4o. Isha and I are going to monitor this chatbot closely and update you all whenever there is more news. We hope you enjoyed this video, so please click the like and subscribe button and see you next time.